three types of insulation out there that you can choose from. There's fiberglass insulation, cellulose insulation, or foam insulation. One of the issues that I have with fiberglass insulation is you're never going to get a true cut in your wall cavity. You're always going to have gaps because it's cut by hand and it's not a full fill product. The second issue is that you can have a real convection current loss where you can get air movement in your walls from the fiberglass, because when you have a very cold wall on the outside and a warm wall on your inside, you've got these two temperatures going towards the middle and the cold air is dropping while the warm air is rising. You can actually create a convection current in your wall. Foam is great. Sprays in, does everything really well. However, it's quite expensive, and I don't think you actually get the payback return for the investment that you've made. And I think as being green, we want to be good stewards. Where cellulose insulation, I really believe, is the best of both worlds. Not only do you get a full cavity fill, which really stops any air infiltration, but you also stop any convection currents. And that's where I think cellulose new wool insulation is the best of both worlds. So one of the concerns that people have when they hear you use cellulose insulation, when they say, well, it's a paper product, you know, could we have a mold issue, could we have a fire issue? New wool treats it for both issues. So actually, when we're spraying new wool into the wall cavities, we're actually treating for mold by spraying it in, because this material is treated. Also, it's treated for fire as well, and you could literally take a blowtorch and not light the material on fire. So it's very safe, and that's why at Airhart Construction we use new wool cellulose insulation.